Kristin with the Rogers Public Library, and this week for STEAM Explorations, we will be making a little kazoo. So, in your craft packet, you will have 2 craft sticks, 1 larger rubber band and 2 smaller rubber bands, and a straw. We're going to take our small pieces of straw, and they are going to go between our craft sticks. But first, we need to take our big rubber band, and we're going to put it lengthwise down around one of the craft sticks so that it lays flat like this. And then we'll take 1 piece of straw. We're going to tuck it under the rubber band on one end. Then we'll take our other craft stick and put it on top of the straw. Take one of our small rubber bands and we're going to put that around the end of our craft sticks so that it holds them together. Then we'll take our other piece of straw and slide it in between the 2 craft sticks. This one will sit on top of the rubber band. So 1 goes under the rubber band, 1 goes on top of the rubber band. And we'll take our other small rubber band and use it to secure the other side to hold them together. And now we can blow through the little tiny gap in our craft sticks to make music. And you can change the pitch of your music by moving your straws. The closer you move them together, the higher the pitch. The further apart you move them, the lower the pitch. And that is because as we are blowing through our little craft sticks, the air is making the rubber band, the long one, vibrate. And with the straws being on top on one side and underneath the rubber band on the other, it increases that vibration, giving us sound. And by adjusting where they are, that changes the vibration, which changes the pitch of our sound. And that is our STEAM Explorations project for this week. Thank you for joining me. We will now be taking a 2-week break from programming while we get ready for summer reading, and in 2 weeks from today, we'll have our big summer reading kickoff party. And it's going to be from 2 to 4 on June 3rd. So you can come and we're going to have so much fun. We're going to have a performance by Will Parker, who plays music for kids ages 0 to 100. And we'll also have crafts and games and all kinds of fun stuff to do. You can pick up your reading logs, get signed up for summer. We're going to have a blast. So we will see you in 2 weeks for our kickoff. Bye.